Also, ma'am, as she comes on the stage.
Oh, ma'am.
Do you recognize me? Look at me. Do you recognize me? Tell me my name now. Nice to meet you.
Anything for the end. 5-year-old, he's going to join us to share his experience. The bright, enthusiastic young learner from our Alpha program and brings the sparkle wherever he goes. His bubbling energy, his quick learning and his joyful participation is going to make every activity come alive. So over to Devraj. Can we have a huge round of applause to welcome this little chief guest?
Good afternoon and Jai to everyone. So today, behalf of Dr. Sunita Gandhi ma'am, I am telling you the path of Alpha Path Model School. 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. I will explain what is this. The shelter of this class and school ambience. They gave us and safe and positive environment. Like we have to say Jai Jagat. It means wonders of mankind and victory to the whole world. We have to believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means the whole world is a one family. So, next is one-time preparation. One-time preparation means we have to do it on once in a year. Like, instead of the boring learning of old pedagogy, now with accelerating learning for all, we do the fun learning by our puppets, Tina and Toto, Hira and Modi. We make sets of them, and then if you do not want to lost, so how you can do it? Make an envelope for them. Start a reflection register. So next, daily random peering. Our teacher draws 2 names on ice cream sticks. That is, we have to close our eyes and take out any one name checked. And the children have to select new partners every day. Now, 4-step process of learning. Like galvanizer student demo. Our teacher becomes Tina and we become Toto. But at home, you can enjoy mother and child demo or father and child demo. I enjoy it very much with my mother. Perfection rule. Like we do some papers like MCQ. So imagine there are 2 boys sitting here. One is Rahul and one is Rohan. They both cannot do that, the MCQ papers. And there are another 2 boys sitting there. They can do the paper. So the teacher decides that make Rahul sit with that child who can do. And Rohan sits with child that who can do. MCQ means it means multiple choice questions. They say if you know the answer, so raise your hands up without lifting your head, like your head down and your hands up. So, take corrective action when required. Ask difficult questions again. Repeat corrective action. Next, weekly close circuit. Good practices. Share what when this week. reflection register to share with peers. Speaking flawlessly, reading with understanding, reading with fluency, writing with creatively. So, like was in the old pedagogy, there was like a for apple before ball, but now we can do the pronunciation with. Like we learn phonics, pronunciation, like for the A, good, B, good, C, D, so, children take turns to read. Like one child answers, then another asks, then another answers, then another. Then they both give a high five. It remembers a part of the song Jai Jagat, Jai Jagat, Jai Jagat Pukar Ja. It means that the part. जीत हो जहान की क्यों किसी की हार हो गांधी सर फेवरेट सॉन्ग इज दिस सो नेक्स्ट 5 math goals for the number 4 then do 4 snaps 1 2 3 4 5 and for the number 10 do 1 clap not 10 snaps. This is 10. For 34, first do 3 claps. 1, 2, 3, then 4 snaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 100, do 1 shoulder taps, not 10 claps. For 234, first do 2 shoulder claps. 1, 2, then 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 snaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5,234. First do 5 claps. Like see. 5,000. Then 2 shoulder taps. 1, 2. Then 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 snaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for 5,234, first to 5 clappers. Oh, sorry, I repeated it. So, if you want to see the live demo for literacy, so come anyone and pick out any chip from there. So,
And you are AI child.
yes, I am real, but my bhaiya made me like if you are saying AI child. So, oh wow, advantages and disadvantages of computer. Like first, advantages. We use it for studies. Like there are some study websites like iProfessor and Cambridge Go, but I am not talking about these websites. Like
It was incredible, Devraj.
Anyone?
Would anybody else like to choose a topic? I can't wait to see what the next topic will be.
Which color should I pick?
Oh, astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla. Yeah. He is a pure astronaut. He studied from CMS, Seti Montessori School. Sir is the second astronaut, the Indian astronaut, to go on International Space Station, ISS. First astronaut was Rakesh Sharma ji. He was the first Indian astronaut to go on International Space Agency. If we don't have homes on space, so where we can go? International Space Station. It's like a home. So, found these things like a Mickey things and move. Some explored on these things. Like he explored on the planets. His mission's name was Axiom 4. Axiom is a company who makes chemicals. Axiom 4 was the mission. And then he was a Gaganyatri. How proud he made us school. So thank you. Now come, anyone.
Okay.
No, but sir, come now. Oh,
I will not devote it. I just want to confirm whether you are natural via AI.
I am natural, but
I think you are AI child. So I will ask you a question. But you will have to answer sincerely. When you are going to get married?
AI don't know about it. They are not humans like that. They have feelings on their birthday. Now come anybody. Yes.
Devraj, my school principal.
Oh, my school principal! Principal motivated me very much. She is smiling and charming. Always a smile on her face. Our principal is called me Julia Saki because my English is very much like you can get that it's an AI scientist there on any natural side. So like I say yes, like yeah, I say bathing, bathing, just because of learning.
Tom, you will be writing his name over here. True Canonizer! A true canonizer.
Any topic from there.
My topic,
मानेगा नहीं
my topic is my chairperson.
कितनी नाइस
So let me tell you, dear teacher, that Devraj, with his cheerful spirit and confident presence, also inspired all his classmates and spread positivity everywhere. So thank you, little Devraj. You are chota packet, but bada dhamaaka. Okay, so now, so can we give a huge round of applause? AI version of Devraj. Can we please give a huge round of applause to this little AI version? Let me tell you, dear teacher.
When AI Devraj.
Okay.
You are AI.